here. Welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. This morning we're going to make Devonshire Cream to go on our scones or any type of dessert you like. Now, traditionally, the British put clotted cream on scones. But if you ever tried to make clotted cream, you have to let it sit in an oven at about 180 degrees overnight. This is much faster and it tastes wonderful. So here we go. What we're going to need is 4 ounces of mascarpone cream or cheese. So this is an 8-ounce carton, so I'm just going to scoop out half of it into our bowl here. Ta-da. You need 1 cup of heavy cream. It has to be heavy cream. Half and half will not work. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. There you go. And then we're going to whip this all together here. Just scrape this down into the bowl here. I love having my sink here. There we go. We have soft peaks, and our cream is done. And as you can see, our cream is nice and thick, soft peaks. It is absolutely delicious, and you can make your breakfast scones. Absolutely amazing with a little raspberry or strawberry jam on top.